out here with another attempt at painting. First one didn't do so hot, so we washed the canvas over, and now it's kind of a yellow colored rather than white. And we don't have any dark colors here, but I've been advised about how to mix them and so forth, so I'm thinking that these were the sky colors when the sun is going down, so this would be the two colors that you see at dusk. Dawn? Yeah, dusk. So I really don't know. Let's see, I ruined the brush too, because that and put it in water.
Yeah.
And that's what
kind of break it up in there. Just
what
put some pressure on it. Get a little loose.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll soften it up.
So we have to open up something here. So we got actually this is the same here. We got two things the same.
Yeah, you can double up.
Yeah, double up.
Just do one for now.
And then that would be for the sky, and then this would be for like the grass colors. And so I don't really feel that well doing this.
You'll do great.
You know?
Yeah, it's art. You can have fun. You can do whatever you want.
The first person that did this, you know?
You can just scribble on there and then just make it whatever you want. Even if it's just like a collage.
See, to me, these colors here, you ever see tie-dyed shirts?
Yeah.
It seemed like that these colors would be on a tie-dyed shirt.
That's what you can draw. You can just do tie-dye.
Yeah,
just scribbles.
Make your mess.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got this open.
Yep.
Everything's open. And they used to call it art when they took a brush and just flicked it at the canvas. So I'll start with my favorite color and throw some on. So I could go all over the place, right?
Yeah, you can go wherever. Let your imagination run wild.
All right, there. Now we'll get some purple. There. And let's see, we got to cover up this whole thing. There's the purple with the blue in it I really like. And over here, and there, 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 and there. Yeah, this could go on somebody's tie-dyed shirts real easy. Now this is gonna, yeah, that's day glow there. That pink's gonna be day glow. So that's what's gonna be kind of flashing out. Instead, get this stuff mixed up a little bit. We got that. We still got that picture that woman. What did she charge me for that picture? $10 or something? It's hanging up right on the other side of that wall. You don't remember?
She charged you for that?
Yeah, that woman in Waukesha.
Mm.
Yeah, she charged me. I don't think she gave it to me for free. She was selling me all that other stuff that she sold this stuff here.
The lamps and stuff?
The lamps.
That's the place where you gotta go with exact change, right?
Well, unless you want to overpay. So we don't see them anymore, so I mean I can't go there and take it back. So
it was like
I gotta fill in, but tie-dye,
there you go.
These are tie-dye colors.
Now put some Marquette colors in there.
Okay, so we're gonna get some MU colors, I suppose.
So rinse out the little...
Oh, rinse it out, okay. Get that out of there. Okay. Now, yeah, we're right, we need some green. I don't know about smushing this stuff in there. Some green grass growing. Yeah, you see those people on TV and they're talking, you know, this and that, and here's the tree limbs and all that, and they're going real fast, and you said smudge before. You didn't say smudge. You said something there, but it's good. I think a good experience here to kind of see that how the colors change when you mix them up.
Mm-hmm.
It's just wasting another canvas here, but
We'll hang this one up.
and get some blue in. I should have put my
You can
my
draw peacock.
favorite color in. And there. 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 This is art. It's like a little kid playing harmonica without any instruction. Then a little more blue. I think this doesn't have enough blue. That's the whole problem. Not enough blue up here. There. So yeah, what this represents is the sun setting. Anybody can see that.
You want some more kombucha?
Yeah, and you take a couple of slugs of that stuff before you do your painting. Well, what's Dirk got to worry about being healthy for?
I don't know.
The guy's a football player. He's young and need to be worried about getting healthy. Kombucha stuff. Boy, it probably took some researching and some digging to get to that stuff. They should put one of those skull and crossbones things on there. I mean, that's strong stuff. That's not no little baby aspirin. This is a real McCoy there. It's gut bacteria. 100 trillion microorganisms. What do they call that when you're resistant to?
Immunity?
Yeah, immunity, that's it, yeah. It says so right on the package, immunity. So, those people ought to incorporate with those bean people, and then they'd have that health covered from so many different perspectives, and that way nobody could get sick taking that stuff.
You can give it to Bowler.
Okay. the test, the guinea pig. So what do you think? I think there's a little bit too much pink, that day glow pink right in the middle there.
That looks good. This looks good.
Zoom into the camera. Like,
Yeah. Perfect.
it looks good.
That's art.
Yeah,
Let it dry.
yeah.
That's called a
And then if I had a darker paint, I could just put maybe like a D down there in the corner. And who knows?
Oh, they got a Sharpie.
One man's treasure is another man's junk. So, yeah, I think that chef's hat would look really cool if it had a DIY
We're gonna get stickers. or
insignia
something.
on it.
What am I doing?
Can you do it?
I'm writing it?
Any final notes here?
No.